Hepatitis Care Companion app is accessible 99% offline, meaning that you don't need to be online to be able to access what it has. You can customize it to a dark or light mode depending on your preference. You can determine your risk of liver disease using the risk assessment tool, which is quite rich with contents, and within a short minute you can get all that you need as information to guide you cope with this condition. You can listen or read about hepatitis on the go, and all of that is offline. There are more than 20 multilingual tutorials that you can adjust the volume, the pitch of tone you want to listen to, and accuracy of information as well. Well, if you choose to listen in Arabic, you will also get that in this app. You can receive personalized PDF generated advice after going through the specified risk based on your profile. What more? You can engage with the quizzes and also get some feedbacks alongside to see how well you are knowledgeable in this condition. You don't need to really be overwhelmed at all. Please go ahead, download the Hepatitis Care Companion app today and rate your experience as appropriate. Thank you.